What's up, guys? Hi, hope you all are doing good and fantastic. I am Siddhi Shukla, the face behind Think Persist and Listen. So, today I'm here to talk to you about manifestation challenges we face in the beginning. As I have also faced so many challenges in the beginning in manifesting things and my desires, whatever I wanted, I faced so many challenges. Like in the beginning, I was not able to manifest instantly the things I wanted. But in the period of time, I learned my mistakes and improved them. And the most important thing I noticed is that instead of just believing or visualizing, the most important key is to be consistent. Persistence is the key. I am a follower of Sammy's videos, and she is OG, and I somehow relate to her content a lot. That if you cannot believe until you experience something, अगर आपको वो चीज़ नहीं मिल रही है then how you gonna believe it? I know, I can totally get it. So how to overcome this challenge of manifestation? Like, I know if you are not experiencing something, you are not getting what you want, how can you believe it? I know it sounds so exhausting. So the three main important keys are being consistent, your self concept, and affirming on repetition. As when you do something repeatedly, then it imprints, it programmed here. And it believes that, not belief, it believes that. You have to relive, you have to live that desire. If you want a relationship, if you want a new job, you want to make a lot of money, you want to grow your business, you have to keep affirming for it. You have to be consistent. For that, I use 10-minute methods told by Sammy's. I use robotic affirmations. I affirm for 15 minutes, then take a break of 1.5 hours, and then I again affirm for 15 minutes, then I gotta again take a break. That's how I keep on affirming persistently. You have to be persistent. Then you keep affirming, and then you see a little evidence about it. For example, you want to make 1,000 rupees per day or $1,000 per day. You are affirming it, and then after some time, you notice you are making $1,000, 1,000 rupees per day, and it somehow makes you believe that yes, I am the person who can make it. I am the person who is earning $1,000 per day, and I can do it more. That's how you believe when you experience it. So we have been told to believe this and that from the time we are born. Our parents told it, and it's not their fault. They are also being told to believe things the way they are. But in our age, the generation we are living in, we are breaking those rules and create a new ones. Like if we want to believe something, then we have to experience it. So now we know the system how to do it, as I have done it for my whole manifestation journey of 1.5 years. Before that, I was making so many mistakes. I was believing, I was endlessly changing techniques to techniques, and I was not being persistent for it. I was just skipping days. Like I did one day, then forgot another day, and then again bringing my old patterns back with stressed out, anxiety. It was so exhausting until I found the Sammy's channel. I learned from her that how to be persistent, how robotic affirmations help you. Do 10-minute methods, and also you can comment down in the video. Tell me another challenges you face during manifestation, and I will be helping you with that. Until that, we have to follow the system. If you want something, just affirm it and be consistent. Do it one day, two, three, four. Do it consistently for 20, at least for 21 days, and I am sure you will be seeing results very soon. Just affirm it, be clear on what you want, make it in present tense, and just receive it, then believe it. Because when we experience something, and when we get something, then only we believe it. For example, it's just another example. Like I wanted a iPhone. Like it's been also 1.5 years since I got my new phone. It's not new anymore. So I manifested it. Like I want a new iPhone 15, and then I got it. And then I noticed that after I got it, I don't have any attachment to it now. Like it's normal for me. Before that, it was like everyone have this updated version of iPhone, so I also wanted it. But then I noticed that after getting it, I was detached from it. So the thing is, when we detach from something, then we get it. As like you also know, this is also for girls or people. When it's about specific person thing. When someone who is chasing us, we don't get attracted to them. We get attracted to someone who is not chasing us, who's not showing efforts for us. You have to show effort, but you don't have to chase it. You don't have to cleanse your energy to it. You just have to believe you already have it. The most important thing is to you love yourself. How you have to change yourself. You have to work on your self concept that everything happens for you. Get it? You don't have to chase, you have to attract it. You have to bring your aura, bring your energies in alignment so that you get whatever you want. Either it's a specific person, either it's a job, either it's making money in 10 days, making double money in your business, manifesting a new job. You just have to affirm. You have to be consistent for it. That's it. So comment down any other challenges you face during manifestation, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'm gonna help you a lot with another things. And soon I will be launching my master classes to tell you about another techniques I use to manifest something instantly. Till then, bye bye. See you soon.